When signing up for a NIACC or DiscoverU class, select Login or Create Account. Then create a new profile unless you have one, then log in on the left. From the pull-down menu, select No Thanks in reference to the purchase membership question. On the next page, you'll be asked the same question. Once again, select No Thanks. When creating a username, please use first and last name with no spaces and no capitalized letters. If you need to use a middle initial, you can. If it's for your child, please use your child's name. Then you will create a password using the directions above, and you'll be asked to repeat that password. If you need to use our verification questions, you can create a hint so that in the future you can remember your password. When entering an email, you will need to use a primary email, such as a parent email, to receive notifications of class cancellations and changes. You'll be asked to re-enter that email. Next, you will be entering a name. If it is for a child, you will need to be sure to add your child's name, middle initial, and last name. If there are certifications that they need, it will be in their name. Next, you'll type in your address. In the event that you want a secondary address, you can put that on the right, or you can simply select same as primary, and it will autofill. When creating a phone number, this needs to be a primary phone number where you can receive notifications and class changes. If it is for a child, please use parent phone number. Using the pull-down menu, answer the questions. And then you will enter your birth date. However, if it is for a child, please enter your child's birth date. For the Social Security number, use the last 4 digits, and again, if it is for a child, use your child's numbers. Step 3, answer any needed questions. And now you're ready to sign up for a class. If you know the class ID, you can go to the upper right and search for that class ID and hit go. You will then want to verify that this is a class that you intend to sign up for, and if so, you can hit Add to Cart. You are now ready to view cart or check out. You will need to agree to the policies with a blue check. Then hit Check Out in the bottom left and tell us where you heard about the class. You are now ready for payment. It will do autofill, so if this is for a child, please be sure to change the name of the account to yours, not your child's, and then select payment, and you are finished.